All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my Giannis Pick 2 of the 3 bobbles. So we'll check the time, February 18th at 8:28 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. And we have February 18th at 8:28 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need the dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 12. All right, 12 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason. Spot 9 is your winner. So, Jason, please message me to make your 2 selections. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, February 18th, 8:29 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.